Welcome to one and all. Thank you for joining us. It's a beautiful morning and we are sure it's going to be a very high intensity game. It's a hard pitch. Batsmen would have to be wary of the extra bounce on offer here. However, once they settle down, the ball should come nicely onto the bat. Captain wins the toss and is elected to bat first. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Openers walking in and the crowd cheering in anticipation. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Tremendous hit this. That's a crowd catcher. That's a six. I tell you what, that shot looks even better in the replay. Lovely timing. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. Oh, that's picked up and straight into the crowd for a six. He looks in good touch. Ah, that's a beautiful shot. And in the gap too. Plenty happening out there. Fielding captain needs to calm his bowlers down before the umpire interferes. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. Squeeze a single there. Good running. Nailed it. Absolutely. Perfect throw. Oh, he's clubbed that for a six. That's a great hit. Looks like he enjoys space on the ball. Looks more confident when there's space on the ball. Tremendous hit this. That's a crowd catcher. That's a six. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. And the batting power play comes to an end. Well, he has to bowl that one again. Captain will be more happy with his bowlers conceding only singles at this stage. That's fiery from the bowler. Good bowling, it beats him all ends up. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. In the air. Spectacular catch. Perfectly timed his jump and made sure he held on to that one. Slim pickings at the moment. The batsmen need to up the gear a bit. Up in the air. Got him. That's a stunner. Out for a duck. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. Very important to keep wickets in hand because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Well bowled, past the edge of the bat. Last ball coming up. In the air. Good shot for a single. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. Bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Well, that's a massive six. Made a cracking sound at the bat. The batting team is managing a good run rate, that's for sure. Good shot for a single. There is a little bit on the surface for the bowlers. It's also good for batting. Got him. That's a stunner. Out for a duck. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. That was a fantastic piece of bowling. Good shot. Nicely placed in the gap. The batsman should be looking for two here. Good backing up by the fielder. Shows how involved he is in the game. Turned away for a single. Came around quickly to cover the throw. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. That struck beautifully. Terrific shot that. Will he take him on again? Let's see. Good shot for a single. Ah, that's a good throw. Straight into his hands. Well, you can sense something is going to happen here. The bowler not allowing the batsman to free his arms. Played it watchfully. Feel the bowler should be around that good length area more. Easy enough for the batsman to play for a single or a two if they run well. He really had to reach for the ball to collect it. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Connected well, but straight to the fielder. Last ball coming up. Excellent dive. Superb reflexes. That could well be the catch of the match. You have shown some exceptional performance today. What was going on in your mind while you were in the middle?
I felt I was in top form today, and I'm happy to get the job done for my team.